Just now
You want something?
from the shop.
Yeah, how do you know you're pregnant?
You're copying me. Sige, okay, we're gonna read your book.
Like,
Ulan na naman yata to mga kachika. Nagbabalak ako ng punta sa sa gym. Tinatamad ako kaya dami kong gawain. Dito na lang tayo. Nag-ano na lang din ako na training na lang din ako. Hindi ko pa tapos. Nabasa na yung ba yung nililiver dito? Yung washing machine yata. Yan siya. Yan, dinamp lang din dyan ni Mr. Hindi pa, natapon din yan. Ito, meron siyang parcel sa kanya yan mga kachika kasi pang regalo niya yan para sa mga bata. So, sabi ko, tinext ko na nga, sabi ko na itago mo to bago sila mga bata makauwi galing sa galing sa school ba, kaya baka makita nila yan. Ako, parang hirap naman yung balutin. Babalotin ko yan. Balotin ko lang yata yung kalahati niyan. Hindi ko alam, pambigat-bigat pala niyan. Kasi yan, wood. Made of wood ba? Oh, Pinang? Pinang? Lisa? Oh, you got na?
this.
Hello, Principal. I love you.
Oh, yeah. Since when?
Just now.
You want something? you found it. Did you?
No.
Huh?
And I found it already earlier when I found out that I don't have it in my ears. Then I found the lock in the bed, and I was, accidentally filled it in my foot.
Foot.
Oh, in the carpet. I feel it.
Oh my.
So this is the one I'm looking for. And I found it. Siguro kasi yung hikaw ko kagabi. Kaya na pagkagising ko ng umaga, wala naman yung isa. Pero hindi ito mga kachika. Yung isa, very maliit. Lock the door, Dad. Nice. Tonight mga kachika. Tuwa yung mga bata. Full.
Look! Daddy, the lock!
Dalak. Alisa si Daddy Dalak.
Open it. I want to go first. Hey!
Okay, get in. Sige na, get in na.
I'll stand first.
No, it's okay. It's the same. Oh, here. I got your snacks. Banana,
Yay!
yogurt. Milk, please. Milk.
Everything. I want a banana.
There's 2 banana in there. Free yogurt.
I want banana.
You got belts on?
Yeah. And 1 yogurt drink.
Oh, it's not my sister.
You want what?
Another sister.
Another sister? Impossible. Dito kami sa sakyan pala mga katsika kay si Alisa at si Mr. nandoon sa dito kami sa labas ng Lidl ba? Kasi nanonood ng mga old ng mga videos namin. Ang ganda din ng mga ganito ba na nasisave namin yung mga memories when Alisa was baby, ganun. Kasi nag-start ako mag-vlog si Alina na sa Di pa ako nanganak kay Alisa, nag-vlog na ako noon. Tapos hanggang nanganak ako kay Alisa, doon na talaga nagtuloy-tuloy mga kachika ba. Kaya dito sa YouTube namin, nakikita nila yung mga kung ano sila noong kabataan pa. Kaya hindi ko talaga to, if ever man na dumating na yung time na alam nyo yun, i-stop na namin, mag-stop na ako pag video, at least meron makikita pa din nila kung ano sila noong mga kabataan din, no? Nung baby pa. Nakakaiyak ba? Makita mo yun ang bilis ng panahon. That's why Alina wants another sister.
Sister. I can't make Lisa to make baby again.
Kasi gusto niya daw niya si Alisa baby.
I want another sister.
Oh, gusto niya daw na may baby daw ulit kasi nakikita nga niya na kung paano ba sila noong si Alisa at saka siya.
You know those things, you check you're pregnant, you know those things? Where do you got those from?
From the shop.
Yeah, how do you know you're pregnant?
You have to put your wee on there. It's small like that, and then you have to put your wee in there.
Like this, yeah, disgusting.
And then we will show there that you are pregnant.
Okay.
I like your nose, Luna. You're lucky that your nose is not like me.
Disgusting. You need to put the deep it on your. Disgusting.
And then you will know that you're pregnant like that.
Only get one of those again, so you know you're pregnant. Get on my face. Get on my face.
What do you want, baby sister or baby brother?
No, I don't want a baby brother, baby sister.
Baby sister, no. It's good when it's baby sister.
Yeah, baby brothers are annoying. I don't like it. They're annoying. I don't know, sister. Or should we call it stay? yeah. And
Not enough na be, it's very expensive. We can't afford it.
I'm for that.
Afford, like, food. If you have more baby, and it's gonna be difficult because mama cannot go to work.
Oh yes, that's difficult.
Mm-hmm.
That's very
Then-
difficult.
Then we cannot do like we can do now. It's because you are three, you become three, and then we have we're gonna have less. Like we're not going to buy like we can buy now. It's because we have to go buy more for the baby sister or baby brother, like that. So 2 is enough. You and Alisa, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Difficult. Then you have to look after your baby. You have to siblings to look after
I
because
want
you
to
are
look
the
after them. Look after them.
you cannot go to school then because you have to look after them, and I go to work.
Oh yes, Daddy and Mom's gonna go to work, and I don't know what should we do. Oh yes, I shouldn't want to be brother or sister. I don't want any.
That's it na. Alisa is enough. You got
Yeah.
enough.
Oh yeah, crying at night time. Yeah, you can't sleep.
Yeah, crying, and it's difficult.
How about me? Was I
If
crying?
it gets sick. Sister is here. Who is that girl? Alina said she want another baby sister, daddy.
Oh.
Because she cannot. Alisa can go. She cannot go out. She cannot go back Alisa as a baby.
Can't go back.
So she want Alisa to be a baby again,
Oh.
but she can't go back.
No, that's right. Well, that's the way it is. Get old.
Yeah,
Everybody gets old.
we're all getting
Imagine I
old.
was a baby once. Me. I said I used to be a baby too. Everybody gets old.
Hi.
Huh?
You was a naughty boy when you was little.
Yeah.
See what?
Naughty.
Naughty boy. Yeah. I can imagine how naughty your daddy is. Dito tayo ng manok, na naghahingi yung mga bata ng manok. Extra na nila itong mga katika, kumakain na sila ng stop it, Pajiban. Stop ba? Oh, please, let's go. Yeah. Ayan.
I don't want this for Christmas.
Christmas cupcakes, but it's okay.
No, I can have it now.
Sabi niya for Christmas, pagtingin ko kasi hanggang ano lang siya, used by August before,
chicken and cookies.
okay, December 23. So hindi siya makaabot ng Christmas. Sabi ni Mr. kainin na lang natin yan. Nasayangan ako kasi alam niyo, ako hindi din ako ganong mahilig. Pero mukhang masarap siya mga katsika. Ayan. Mukhang masarap. Pero hindi ko pag ako kakain, hindi ako kakain ng ano, kasi sobrang tamis yan yung taas. Ganyan. Chocolate and huh? Yeah, because she can have fried chicken as well. She always good with fried chicken.
Oh no.
Eating
How was it,
soil.
babe?
What?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good naman, oh.
You going to try one?
Make sure you drink a lot of water. Naghiwa ako ng avocado kasi ito yung kakainin ko mga kachika. Parang ayaw kong paano ba ito yung cellphone ko. Ay, walang tripod. Parang kung saan yung tripod ko. Ayan, avocado. Ito yung kakainin ko. And then magpa-fried chicken. Then ako kasi nag-fried chicken ako dito. Dito pa. Yung iba nandun na sa mga bata. Pero ito, anuhin ko lang muna. To yung, lagay ko lang muna to dito. Tapos, mamaya, kukunin din to pag maubos na yung kinakain nila doon. So yung kakainin ko, yung wala ng mga balat-balat. Yung tira-tira na lang ba, mamaya. Then, nalagyan ko siya ng salt and olive oil. Yung ating avocado, mga kachika. Masarap to. Pag ano lang, kahit olive oil lang at saka asin ilalagay mo. Masarap. Natuto lang din to kay Mr. Kain niya. Kasi di ba sa atin, ang alam lang natin avocado is shake. Tapos, lagyan ng sukal, ganun. Anuhin mo, lamaw. Bisaya pa. Yummy na mga kachika. Ito na yung dinner natin tonight. Put your blanket.
Oh, I think I moved that out.
Blanket, please, so you won't cold later. Blanket.
I'm not cold even.
Okay, you cover up na yourself.
Okay.
Good night.
Night.
I love you very much. Forever and ever. Naman is doing vlogging.
I'm just copying you.
You're copying me. Sige, kaya we're gonna read your book.
Look, I'm copying you. Same.
Same, vlogging.
Copying you.